The 35,000-ton Powerhouse. The era of the small surface combatant is officially over. In a historic pivot, the U.S. Navy has confirmed that the Trump-class Guided Missile Battleship, or BBGX, will replace the next-generation destroyer program. Displacing a staggering 35,000 tons, the lead ship, USS Defiant, is nearly 4 times the size of a current destroyer. This massive scale isn't for show. It's a mechanical necessity. To fire the new 32-megajoule electromagnetic railgun and sustain dual 600-kilowatt lasers, a ship needs a power plant the size of a small city's. The BBGX is designed as a floating power station capable of fueling an infinite magazine of directed energy defense. By choosing this big iron strategy, the Pentagon is betting that sheer electrical output and a survivable armored hull are the only ways to break the sophisticated no-go zones currently protecting enemy coastlines in the Pacific. The arsenal of the future. Under the hood, the USS Defiant is the most heavily armed surface ship in human history. Its primary battery features a 128-cell Mark 41 VLS system, but the real ship killers are housed in 12 dedicated tubes for conventional prompt strike hypersonic missiles. For the first time in decades, the Navy is reintroducing a strategic nuclear layer to the surface fleet with the integration of nuclear-armed sea-launched cruise missiles. This arsenal ship philosophy allows a single BBGX to act as a command and control node for an entire strike group, coordinating drone swarms and satellite-linked targeting data in real time. While the projected $18 billion price tag has sparked a firestorm in Congress, the Navy's top brass is clear. In an age of Mach 10 threats, the only way to survive is to be the biggest, toughest, and most powerful player on the water. The Golden Fleet has arrived, and it is built to lead from the front. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.